Alrighty, okay. So if you can tell by the title, this morning's a little different than what I normally do. One sec, I gotta. One second, everybody. I'm gonna be busy for the next couple hours, but after that I can join. Sorry about that, Thrifty Conch. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna switch on over. Actually, oh, we got. Oh, hey, what's up, Muzzle? Nice to see you again. This is gonna be a really short stream for like this first beginning morning part. I have an interview later on, so I am gonna have to go and do that in a second. Or was it? I think it's an hour or so. So I was kind of just gonna do like a little bit of server learning kind of stuff for Township Tale because we were made admin of another server. And we wanted to we don't actually want to do it on that server, but we want to figure out how to reset chunks and stuff like that. Also, we do want to reset the community bins on that server, or not reset, but I want to set them so that they are limited. Because right now the default value is like you can get 50 wood at a time, or like 30 like iron ingots, whatever, copper ingots, that kind of stuff. So we wanted to like fix that up a little bit and make it so it's not as much. Maybe like 6 or something like that total. Maybe 10. I don't know. We'll see. I gotta go join my world because I'm gonna be doing all this testing on my world. I think I saw somebody was on my world the other day. I think I did open up my world to like just be public, but don't expect any progress to be made on my world if you ever do join, because at any moment I could erase all of it. So yeah, don't expect any of that kind of stuff. It's definitely a test world. All right, so you can notice I'm still slightly dressed up, interview. But we're going to see what we can do. Expand the. Hey, where's the gap? No. No, yeah, we want to expand it. And we're gonna open up. I didn't show anything private there, Bruce. That would suck. All right, we're good. We're connected. First we want to go and check out community bins. Let's go and see that command, and then I think we want to join in on the server. You can see I already reset the community bins on my server. We want to reset them on, or set them on a different server. So first of all, let's go to this dashboard. This is the old dashboard, they call it. But this dashboard, it should, like, for anybody that wasn't here on my other stream when I was doing differences and whatnot, this is where you can find a lot of stuff. All right, so what you can do is like server change setting list, or no, server list. Okay, give me a second. I apparently need to do, oh no, it's settings, change settings list. That's what it is. Come on. Oh, I know why. Settings list server. There we go. Okay, this will show us all the settings of the server. You just click on it and it'll pop down all the settings of your server and whatnot. So here we can, whoops, that's just stuff and stuff. Actually, did I get an email just now? I did, but nothing important. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna be checking like my private stuff a little bit here and there just because I have an interview planned. So I gotta join in on that in an hour or so at 9 a.m. 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But yeah. Alright, so we have auto saving, blah blah blah. The setting right here is this community storage multiplier. We want to change that. If I can copy and paste it. Okay, this is kind of being a pain. Maybe I can like do that. Let's see if that worked. Oh, it did. Okay, cool. So now that we have that command, let's go to our dashboard. I want to try doing it on this dashboard over here. I never actually used this dashboard too much other than check who's online on the server. So let's do this. Settings, change setting or change settings? What did I run? Change setting. server this. Oh. And then we'll set this to 1.0. Let's run that command. And it says success. And it did change it. As I can look down, I can see all the community bins are now changed. Let's do that again, except for change it back to where we want it. Settings. Oops. 2AT settings. Change setting. What the? Change setting server this to 0.2. Run. All right, it changes to what we want. All right, so let's go to the other world and see if we can run this command. I really hope we can. We might not be able to. Maybe the only abilities we can is ban and kick people. Let's go. Time-worn forest. We're gonna change this setting. I haven't really gotten approval to do it, but I think I'm the only one that actually contributes to the community bins in the server anyways, or one of the only ones other than the people that donate to the wood bins. But if they donate to the wood bins give you so much already that you'll be fine. So you don't need to worry about that. One sec, I got hairs like in my mask. It's like really annoying. All right, okay, I think we might need to connect to that server. So let me quickly go over, connect to that server. Oh crap, I just quit out of the game completely. Alright, well, that's okay. It gives me time to... There we go. Gives me time to connect to some other stuff. Okay. I think we need to connect to the server. I really hope we... Oh, Time-worn forest. There we go. Wait. It just took a second for it to connect. Alright, let's go on to that world and let's see if we can change this setting really quick. Before that, let me log into it just so I can confirm any settings I do change in this world are live. We're going to a Time-worn forest. Wait, did I pass it? I did. I gotta be careful because I have like stuff all in front of me. Do not want to knock over my protein shake. That's Pancake City. We'll join you in a bit. I think the one dude who wanted to message me a couple times this morning, he wanted me to join. I'm busy this morning, I'm sorry. Be there in a bit. If you wanted to pay me more than this job is offering, then go right on ahead, but I'm pretty sure you cannot afford it. Oh crap, I'm underground in the server. Uh-oh. Well, that's a doozy. I forgot that was underground in the server. So... That's no fun. Here, let me quickly check. I have quite a bit of crystal. I do not have enough crystal though, as far as what I have grabbed for myself in the server. I wonder if, you know what? I think we're gonna blindly change the setting on the server because I can do that. Let's just blindly change the setting. I don't want to be stuck in the server though, because I don't want to die. Because I was playing there last night, and I kind of want to continue my journey last night a little bit without wasting all my crystal. So we're gonna do this. Settings. Change setting. This to 0.2. All right. If we run this, it does not work. Oh, did somebody quit? Oh, I don't think the server's online. Or maybe they were. It's not connected. Here, let me join the server again, actually, or join that server. I thought I had it pop up, but now it's all gone. So maybe I just need to. I'll just stay in there. Hopefully I don't die. That would suck. I don't want to lose all my crystal. I'll have to go and find a safer spot to do all these things. Alright. Now it says we're online. Just refresh our page probably. Okay. All right, so command is now up on online. Player. Okay, that's selection helper. Oh, okay, so that's how we can probably reset chunks, is we can use this selection helper to be able to find where we are and such. So, okay, I wonder, does this work right here? I've never actually used this before. Maybe we can. Let's do settings. Change setting. Oh, okay, so this is just the one thingamajig that we had in the other thing that showed us like all the stuff. So let's do settings list server. All right, good. So this will show us all of the values. We want to check has in-game tag, has AFK timer, community storage. Oh wait, has. This is kind of like really confusing because it's like a big long string. So right now it's 1.0 for the storage multiplier, which is normal. 0.2. I want to run this. Success. Okay, so because we are admin, it was able to successfully do it. Our game's not even loading because I don't even know what, which is a big black screen right now. Is this gonna give us like any commands? It's not gonna tell us like what we need to add that module. Connection group info, section helper, script, subscription stream. It's not really okay. There is basically nothing. I thought it would be like right here. Oh. Well, that would probably be it. Okay, error log, let's have that. Player state change. Yeah, let's just have those ones. So yeah. Let's run the one thing. So settings list server. Let's run this and check it now since we just changed it. We checked it. We got a PvP multiplier, the tick hunger thing. We got player damage taken, hunger deals. What else do we have? Wood cutting, XP, blah blah blah. Empty server in seconds. I'm gonna leave all that where it is. I'm pretty sure we want to be like all the way to the far right. There we go. Community storage is 0.2. Excellent. That means only like a person can only take like 6 out a day, which is a lot better than before. Before people could take out like 30, and I'm like, it takes me an hour or two to get like that much iron or copper. I'm not gonna have it. Somebody can take everything within 1 second and use it all, and it's all junk or whatever at that point. So now that we got that all situated up, we can then practice some other commands. Okay. What we wanted to do was figuring out exactly how to, what is it? How to reset chunks, if possible, without resetting the whole server. We do not want to reset the whole server. So somebody said it's something like wipe save something. Or is it save? There we are. Save. And then we have like a whole bunch of stuff like this, like wipe cache. And I think this is what you'd use. This is what you have to be careful with though, because what I heard is if you do like save wipe by itself, runs wipe operations and then clears all chunks saves, meaning it literally resets the entire server. So that's what we don't want to do. So like save wipe by itself. But that command might be useful for our server since we're gonna be, if we want to do any more speed runs on it, I'm gonna wipe it every single time I do a speed run. So it's a fresh server every single time. And it just disconnected us. Let's reconnect. Okay. What else do we want to do? Come on, connect. It's kind of being weird right now. How's our stoinks going? Oh darn! Whoa! Our stocks are not going so good. What are they doing? Give me 1 second. I might sell some stocks right now. Oh, hey, what's up, Firefrog? I saw you were watching us last night. Nice to see you again. 1 second while I check my stocks. It's all plummeting right now. I'm like, I don't want that to plummet. Yeah, we do not want these plummeting on us. Maybe I'll just have to leave it. I'll just play the long game. Who cares? We'll just play in the long game. All right. Back to this. Let me refresh this page. This page is not working right now. Good thing you cannot see my password. That would have been bad. Okay. All right. Our world, and it's not letting us connect. What's the flip? We are live on. Oh, we're not live on our world. I think that's why it's having a hard time connecting. Here, let's go back to our world. Right now, I'm in a weird black screen because the other world's not working. Yeah, give me a second while I connect to my world, reload the game. Alrighty. Nice to have you guys around. Alright, let's go and check the server list again. We want to go back to our world. So we need to learn how to use this dashboard a little bit more, like the newer dashboard, because that's where I can do commands for other servers. Can't really do commands on this thing apparently. I don't know why. Alright, let's go in our world really quick and learn how to save and wipe servers. Okay. We're good there. Connect. There we go. Okay, now we're connected to our world. All right, let's look at, where was it? Save wipe. I want to figure out how these other commands work, because using these other commands, we might be able to get stuff we want. Save. Okay, save. Saves the game. Wipes the cache. That wipes everything. Run wipe operation and then clear all save chunks. Okay. Force wipe the entire server. Entire server players and world. Okay. Oh, here we are. Clear all saved cave chunks and move all players in the caves to the surface. This is what we want. Lol, no, I have township. Okay. So, wait, Firefighter, are you a friend of, what was it, Cinder, I think it was like yesterday? Alright, so we have this all reset over here. I want to run this command and wipe all the chunks. And I think what also will do, which is going to be a good test, is it's going to wipe the projects in those chunks, meaning that our teleporter should be wiped too, I believe, right? Or not the above teleporter, but the below teleporter as well. Also, maybe it might be a good. Oh, I don't have a bag. I forgot. Maybe there's a way right here. Can you like technically? I don't know if you can do this, but we're gonna try. Or I'm gonna try to hit these things down with an arrow. I don't know. We'll try this out. Oh, actually, no. We have this. We can try. Okay, let me. Okay, let's just like hit these things because this might be part of the cave. So if we like break these and it resets the caves, then maybe these will be reset as well. So this is the only other thing we did in this world, other than like I guess do a couple of projects just to get it started. All right, there we can tell if it's redone if it has those gone. Let me go to the teleporter really quick and just confirm the teleporter is where I last left it, or how is I last left it, I guess, because it looked like somebody was actually on my world the other day. Disclaimer: anyone that wants to join this world, it is open, yes, but I will probably wipe at any moment. So yeah, you probably don't want to play on this world too much. This is a test world for me. I am a moderator on another world that I play on, so I do that one. All right, yep, this is my speedrunning world, so I hit level 100 and just did that. Okay. Let's do this wipe. All right. So it's literally save, wipe caves, and then I'm guessing server, probably our command. So let's do it in this dashboard. So save, wipe, caves. Make sure I'm doing that right. Yep, save, wipe, caves. Ah, flip, why is it? It just disconnected my panel. Let me reconnect. Save, wipe, caves. And then let's probably do server. Run. Command not found. Did you mean save? Let's do save, wipe, caves, like that. Wipe caves is one word, no dash. Okay. Then let's just do server. Did that run it? Still see the teleporter. Maybe it ran, maybe it didn't. Server not found, or okay, say, or here, let's just copy and paste this. Because it thinks that we're trying to run that. I'm pretty sure I spelled it right, but maybe I didn't spell it right. There we go, success. And yes, it wiped. It wiped the caves. All right, that is excellent. So it wiped the caves completely. That'll be fun if we wipe caves. Then we can actually use this command. Oops, sorry. I'm getting the headset on like the microphone. All right, I'm just trying to get down to the cave so I can check the front of the caves and see how that turned out. Okay, they're taking some damage, but whatever. It didn't reset the front here, but it did reset below the caves. So that is a solid option to do on our other server. We can run this command on another server to wipe the caves. I guess we'll have to go and rediscover all of the teleporters, but it will reset all of the ore, which is kind of what we want, because right now in our other server we're dealing with crystal struggle. I think everything down to level about 50 has been mined out of crystal, so anyone new that's joining the server can never get crystal to teleport lower. And on the top, the top 30 levels, there's literally no ore, or there's no ores, there's no coal and stuff like that. So it's we need to wipe it, kind of. So that is very useful command. All right. Let's see what is instant forces the backup of all Alta file. All right, we don't at the minute is wiping at the minute. Okay, we just some other stuff. Wipe all the players, full wipe. All right, so I think the only thing we're ever gonna use is this wipe caves. I think that's it. Somebody was also telling me how our server, even though I'm a mod, my one server, it has a it has, what is it called? Oh, it has a Discord, and yet I have not looked at that Discord at all. Okay, this isn't doing too bad. Sorry, I'm just checking the stocks right now. Okay. We only have about half an hour left before I have to log off, and then I have to go to an interview, and then where I go to, like, luckily we're in an age where we can do everything from home, so that's kind of where I'm at. Okay, so any other fun servers to test out? Fun thing to test out. All right. Is any of our viewers? We got 5 viewers watching me modify his server a little bit. It's kind of nice. I think Muzzle, P. Allen, Actros, Bonavilles. You're all watching. Got a bunch of people. What kind of stuff do you think we could try? I actually wanted to try. What is it called? It's the trade, I think, button. Yes, this trade button. I wanted to try that. Trade, post, user. I want to try this thing. Trade, post, omega given. All right. So that, I think this might work. This might be a way for us to give items to people or whatever and help them out, because you can't spawn in items right now, like, which is not that good. It's nice that we can be able to, like, maybe do something. So it's basically trade post username prefab. I don't know what prefab means, like what kind of thing it is, but arguments. Okay, so I'm guessing prefab might be with the name of the item. So let's do trade post omega given. Let's do flint. Let's do 10. Does not contain definition for result. All right, maybe we need to grab our username or our code. Let's do it from here then. Trade post flint 10. Run that. Does not contain a definition for a result. Okay, we're still having the same problem. Am I not doing it correctly? Trade post user prefab network arguments string. Okay, I wonder if it's the prefab networks thing. Let me jump on my Discord. I'm forgetting what Discord looks like. Go to the meta. Looks like somebody made a new quest helper kind of thing. Let me look at it and just see what they have. Settings enable board. Okay, that's good. I've already done that. Save wipe. That's just saving or doing some normal things. We don't need to do that. We already know how to do all that. Wait, what is this? Oh no, I thought it was like change. You can change how much you can store on a person. I'm like, ooh, that'd be good. Offline player ID, useful links, condensed item list. All right, let's look at that in a second. Are willing to help if you've put in work and try to figure out stuff yourself. Okay, so they don't have anything. I think I've looked at these links before, and these links kind of like you had to like go to a link to go to another link to go to another link. Eventually you get there. Like this one is finally the actual list. So you can get chess pieces, you can get cauldrons, and who knows what else. We just want some very basic materials, though. I don't want to, like, you know, spawn a big item and it glitch out the server and I have to reset stuff. All right, let me grab this. Let's do trade post mega, or maybe it has a hard time mega. Let's do like cap sensitive, even though I'm pretty sure this isn't cap sensitive. That number, and then let's do 10. Not contain definition for result. Come on, guys. Is there nothing? Trade poster's name, item name, number. Yeah. Online players. Item name, number. Maybe are we just getting these numbers wrong? Let's try it. Handle short, cool. No, let's just try something simple. Where's another simple? Let's grab this item. That looks good. I'm gonna grab this item. Here, let's do thing, trade, post, omega, given this item 1. Not working. Yeah, it's definitely not having what we want. Did you mean trade post? Prefab, network fab, argument string. I'm trying to get this thing to work, but it's not working. Prefab. Wonder if it's because my post is full already? Let me go to my post. Go to my post in the game and we'll see. Here's my post. Probably gonna be cool. I don't care. I can figure this command out. I don't need. Oh, hello, Flint. Hello, more Flint. Why am I more Flint and more Flint and handle? Okay, so that's weird. It's giving us errors, but it works. Look, see, yeah, weird. Okay, so we know that that works. It just apparently it doesn't like to say success. All right, let's test it on, like, who knows, something like even bigger, better. I want to see what kind of stuff we can do, like, you know, big end stuff. Let's look at. I want to look at the item list again. What's some stuff that we want? We have phantoms. We got. Oh, we don't want to summon. Sorry, yawning. Get all my yawns out for my interview today. Okay, let's see. What if we want to, like, do Christmas trees? We got other stuff. We don't want to do anything that is solid parts because that, you know, it's gonna pop out and it's gonna glitch the server super bad. It's gonna suck if that does that, so we're not gonna do it. Here we are. Okay, so there's like katanas, naginatas. I don't even Wakazakis. Here, let's try Wakazaki, right? That'll be fun to get a Wakazaki, right? Let's go over to here. Trade post omega given Wakazaki. Let's get 1. Let's run that command. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, we got ourselves a Wakazaki. Look at that. Nice. Wow. Alright, that's fun. What else is in there? That's good. Okay. So that we have found out how to spawn items, which is amazing. We can get size, we can get arrows, but we don't need those things. Okay. Alright, shield. Pickaxes and whatnot. Okay. Ooh, what's all of this stuff? We have... That's a very interesting... They have like weird names for things. I want to spawn this in. Only one, so nothing we can really use, but I want to try spawning in Valiant really quick. Where is my dashboard? Trade post, omega, given, at ignite 1. Alright, something spawned. See our flag thing is up. Oh, yep, we got ourselves a Valiant. Okay. Let's test like something more. Let's test like, I don't know, let's test a geode, or maybe not. Actually, no, I don't want to do a geode quite yet. I want to go and explore and like find out how those work and everything later on. Because geodes is something you can dig up in the mines, and it's kind of fun. It's like a fun exploration venture kind of thing, and I don't want to spoil it. We'll learn about geodes later when I do it in a stream sometime. There's a lot of these things that are like definitely. Oh, thanks for the follow there, Bellers. Nice. Trying to get to a follow goal of 100. If we can get some 100 followers, that'd be awesome. Yeah. Okay. So what do we want? We got some interesting stuff like large sword, short sword, except for a lot of these things might not work on the quest. Yeah, but we're getting close. Yeah. What was it? 2 weeks ago, I think we were barely at 60. Now we're at 80. So I'm like, keep up this pace. We're gonna definitely hit 100. And if it accelerates the pace, then we'll keep going. Who knows? If we can get 1,000 followers, that'd be awesome. Yeah, sorry, this morning I'm limited on time, Bellers. That's kind of why I'm just doing some like server testing stuff, and then I'm going to probably get off for an hour. I have an interview that I have to do. That's why I'm caller and everything. Without the caller, I just, be streaming on normal content. Yeah, okay, let's see here. We want to try some bigger items. I heard from people that the bigger the item, like the more the chance that it will break the game. And I'm like, I want to get close to breaking the game. Maybe we can break the game. I don't mind. We can reset this world because it's our own world. But we want to try stuff, right? Trade omega. Oh wait, no. Trade post omega given medium cauldron. Let's try that. It went up. Okay, our flag post went up. All right, that worked. We got a medium cauldron. All right, let's try some big items, like this triangular for hanging cauldrons. Like this is a stable item, so this item technically should not be spawned in. But hey, let's give it a try, right? This is where we can try things. Trade post omega given a cooking stand 1. Is it gonna work? I don't think it's gonna work. We'll see. Okay, so I don't think that one worked at all. That one didn't work at all. I expected as such, but it was worth a try, worth a try. Okay, they said bigger items. Let's go big. I need to find something big. Actually, try a chess piece, because right now, I'm pretty sure chess pieces are not available in quest, but I'm curious if they're just there in the item directory, they just don't have them spawning in the world. So let's try that. All right. Oh, might work. They do have them. So we have ourselves a bishop of a chess piece. It's kind of weird though when you grab it. I don't think they've optimized it on the quest, because when you grab a chess piece, there's no other way to grab it. It's just one way or the other way. And there's not even an assist. Like, you see how there's an assist on grabbing another item? There's no assist on it. There's definitely a bug item. But it's a bug item that we could use, you know, and have fun with. That's actually kind of chill. Now we can actually spawn in a whole board and everything, and maybe we can, oh, let's do that. Let's spawn in a board and see how a board looks. We don't want to break again too much, but this might break it, but we'll see. All right, trade post, given chessboard 1. All right, it showed up in our mail. Let's see how it does. All right, we got a chessboard. Oh yeah, that's most definitely bugged. That is definitely a bugged item. And yeah, you can't even pick it up. Yeah, there's no picking up. Can we like flip it with our hands? Here, let me grab the sword and see if we can flip it. Oh. Oh, that's funny. Okay. It's like a weightless item too. It's almost like you can just like a flick of your finger, I'll flick it away. Look at that, boom. Dude, you can play golf with this. You can totally play golf with this item. Kind of. I don't know. Maybe I spoke too soon. Alright. That's fun. Okay, that's a fun test. Okay, so chessboard doesn't work. It's a bugged item. That's fine. Next we want, let's try, okay, so probably the pieces work, chessboard doesn't work. What's some other stuff? Wooden stirring spoon, nah, that's normal. Water boxes, not sure if you can change to teleportation liquid. I'm guessing if we spawn that in, it'll just be another weightless item, kind of. So we can just skip that stuff for now. Let's see, it's 43 after. Spike fancy blah 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 items. Nothing fun, right? Anybody want to see item spawned in? Something fun? Large handle, large cool handle, medium curves, medium metal handles for great swords. Oh, I know what that is. That's like one of those curved ones that like can like put a sword blade on it. Okay. I'm really wondering what this is. Just literally a large sword. Is that like I want to test this. Let's test this out. All right, trade post omega large sword 1. Did it spawn in? Let's see. No, maybe. And it did not work. Okay, that doesn't work. So I was curious to see what that. Oh, did it not? Is spacing okay? Oh, spacing is broken. Or maybe not. Okay, we'll just ignore that then. Okay. So we got short sword, you got metal, other things. What happens if we spotted a mob? Let's do it. I want to see if this works. If this works, it's gonna be glitchy beyond belief. Trade post mega given Gotera. We're gonna try a mob. Let's do 1. Ah, it didn't work. Our flag's not up, but try opening it. I was just like hoping that like it does spawn in there, and then when you open it, like the mob pops out. That would have been like hilarious. So we could like use that to, like do pranks on people almost. But it does not work like that. So sad. Ugh. Okay, well that's fine. Frugal eggs, that's definitely not in the game yet, right? Let's try it though. We gotta try all these things, right? We gotta like test the quest. Like test it beyond belief. Trade post, omega given frugal egg. Yeah. Do 1. Let's see how that is. Oh, it's open. There might be something in here. Oh, we got ourselves a Spruggle egg, and it is glitched item. It doesn't have the assist on it. You can see it kind of has like this weird like you grab it from like every point. Does it even break? I don't even know. I've never actually seen one of these items before. But that's awesome. We have a Spruggle egg. Oh, it's so cute. Look at our cute egg. I'm using the force. Put it right here. Is it gonna roll? Got ourselves a Spruggle egg, guys. I might go and spawn those in and just like a bunch in on the other server just as a joke. I don't know if it's gonna glitch the server out at any point, but whatever. Alright, so we got Spruggle eggs. We got. Apparently, you can make green feathers if you want. Ooh. Alright. What's some other stuff we can spawn in? Salt, that's boring. Actually, is there any, okay, potato sapling. That might be a good way to get potatoes. For some reason on my other server, there's like no potatoes, and I wonder if there is a way to get potatoes. There definitely is a recipe book for it, but it's just not working at all. That might be fun to try how that works. Okay. I'm pretty sure that's pretty much all the fun items we can do. There's not too much more. Well, we're gonna try to go and get Geodes high again, Fire Frog. We're gonna go and see if we can try to get Geodes on an adventure sometime. So I don't want to spawn those in and break the adventure, you know. It is 48 after. Sorry about that, yawn. And because it's 48 after, I probably should get into zone for an interview, you know, review myself. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna be a network developer. I mean, whatever it's called, .NET development framework with JavaScript and whatnot. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, yeah, it's been fun though. We've tried out a bunch of commands. We got to see a bunch of the other stuff. And it's pretty fun. Oh, okay. Last fun thing to check out. Metal bows. So apparently these are actually really hard to get in the normal game. Or in the PCVR games. So normal. They're both technically the same thing. Trade post omega given. Do a metal bow. Let's do 1. Let's see. Is it gonna spawn? Oh, it's there. It's there. Oh, yes. There is such a thing. Oh, and we can even grab them. Oh my gosh, that's epic. We can get a metal bow and like actually use it. That is gonna be so fun to try. The drawing it is very slow. Like look at how slow it draws it compared to where my hand is. Shit is definitely not instant, but I bet it's like way powerful. I want to go try this out so bad. All right, that was a fun little that was fun to try out. We'll have to try that later on. But for now, I think we're gonna wrap things up. That was a good 1 hour-ish less than an hour technically, morning stream. We will be back on in a bit. I have a interview very soon, and I'm expecting a call, so I gotta be ready. All right, okay. So I'll be quitting this out. Thanks for having you guys. Thank you very much for the follow, Bellers. And thanks for joining us back, Firefrog. It's nice to see you. You joined us yesterday and followed yesterday. That was kind of fun to have some more peoples joining in. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a couple hours probably. As for today, we're gonna be cutting out our afternoon stream, or if we do have an afternoon stream, it'll be later in the afternoon / evening. Yeah, because I have a Nerf War event at 1 p.m. so my time, and that's gonna be epic. So I'll be there and not streaming. So have a great day, guys. Thank you.